The second method is with the Thinkware mobile app via Wi-Fi connectivity. First, we'll look at the iPhone. To connect your iPhone with the F770, first press the Wi-Fi button to activate the feature. Now go to your iPhone settings to find the Wi-Fi network. Click the network name that starts with the word Thinkware. If you're connecting the dashcam for the first time, the connection is protected by the default password 12345678 Once connected, click on the mobile app. You will hear this notification from your dashcam.
Connected to a smartphone, recording stops.
All incident videos are accessible in the Incident Continuous folder. To play a recording, simply click on the video. To save a video to your mobile app, click on the settings button next to the video and select download. The download process will take roughly about a minute. Once downloaded, you can now access the video in the Videos Downloaded folder on the main menu. If you would like to download the video to be shared, you can save the video into your iPhone's photo album by clicking on the settings button next to the video and selecting the export option. Now, you can access the video from your iPhone's photo album and can share it on the internet.